It's me. And today I'm joining with
LucyBee.
33. And she's dressed as Slender Man's son. Don't ask why. Just pretend that she's a normal person, by the way. And today we're going to do a role play in this game. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy. Yeah, we're just going to pretend that we had a plane crash or whatever. And now, like, we don't.
Welcome back to LucyBee 33. I'm the troublemaker, and today we're going to be doing a roleplay where we get in a plane crash and we land here in an area we don't know what's going.
This place looks kind of creepy, Lucy.
I mean, like, what if I broke my wrist? My wrist hurts after landing in a plane. Where's the sky?
Where is the sky?
No,
Okay, Lucy, what do we do?
I don't know. I can't see the sky. It's really scary in here.
Lucy, I said to get into roleplay mode. Whoa, Lucy, it looks pretty creepy in here.
I know, it really does. Wait, who is he?
Oh my gosh! Is he wearing a tuxedo?
Oh my gosh, he's chopping them into pieces with his bare hands.
That's creepy. So we need to go. Why do I have a British accent? I'm just used to it, you see. Okay, I will connect you from my walkie-talkie that I have that you won't see. We got to be ready.
What? Oh, this looks nice and safe.
Maybe I could just sleep in here, you know, and just. No, I just like this British accent. Okay, now what do we do? Oh no, he's right there, run! Are you okay? Are you? Yeah, we both have 9 lives, okay? Let's just pretend that you didn't die. Oh no, it's the scary man! I'm gonna make a run for it. Lucy, you need to come out, over and out. Lucy! Oh my gosh, it's chasing me! It's chasing me! It's chasing me! It's gonna kill me! It's gonna kill me! Is it okay? It's still coming! It's coming for me! Hurry, Lucy! Open the door! Where'd you go? Are you safe?
Yes, I'm safe.
Where are you? Where are you? Oh my gosh, there you are. We need to run, hide. I heard there's a secret vent. I don't know where, but there's a secret vent.
Here, I know where it is. I know where it is. I know where it is. There's one in the lobby room.
Oh my gosh, you could be right. I don't know. Oh my gosh, you're correct. We're saved. I hope.
I don't know how to get up it.
Here, just jump on my head. Okay, I just got a concussion just from you.
Sorry.
You're so rude. I can't believe I got chosen to be with you for my partner. Wait, what was the assignment on? Lucy, what was the assignment on that we were supposed to do?
We're not supposed to even land here, remember?
Yeah, it was on math.
We were supposed to go to China.
Yes, because China's more safe.
China's safe for the
Yeah, than more the Slender Man or whatever. Oh my gosh, I'm about to go up the vent. Okay, where are you? gosh, I fell in a room. I don't know where I am.
What? Oh no! Oh no!
I have a red light surrounding around me. And I don't think it's safe. Oh, is this ice cream? Can I have some ice cream?
He's killed me again!
Ew, you're about to die, ma'am, and haven't died once.
I have 6 lives now.
I have 9. You can't die on me.
Don't worry, I won't die.
You better not. What's down here? Whoa, is that a locked room? We better not go in that. I don't even know where the entrance is. Lucy, I found another vent.
Okay, I'm looking around.
And I found a secret room that I don't think the Slender doll thingy can't go in. Lucy,
Yes?
I found a vent.
I'm looking for, I think, where you are.
I don't know where I am, to be honest with you. I found Slender by the lobby.
I landed somewhere right
Okay, he's chasing me. I'm about to die, Lucy.
I spawned
Don't tell me, don't tell me. And that's when Eliza shedded her first tear.
Stay with me.
Oh my gosh, I just got died again. What am I saying? I need to learn my grammar. Here we go again. So we're gonna do it again. Okay, I can't even. Oh, okay, no. I can't close the stupid door. No. Ma'am, Alexander, are you okay?
No, not okay, Elias.
I can't believe I got stuck with you, LucyBee. Oh my gosh, I just trapped the Slender Man. Can we capture him for our math assignment? Oh my gosh, I just found him again. We need to... I'm safe. How about you? Okay, we got to do this again, ma'am. I don't know what Slender is, but oh my gosh, it dropped in. Oh my gosh, it's LucyBee. Let's go get to the vent. This time I'm going up fast.
So, yeah, I'll get the concussion this time?
Yeah, 'cause you deserve it. Oh yeah, it's like that easy to you, isn't it? Yeah, it's so funny. Okay, where do we go now? Excuse me, I'm saying where do we go now, huh? Do we go to Vegas? I want to go to Vegas. What about New York, huh? We can see the Eiffel Tower and we can be really pretty and then we can fail our math assignment. Who cares about that, you know? Oh, I just had a scream. Did someone die? I hope they did. Okay, I'm leading the way because obviously you slowpoke can't even hurry up.
This was supposed to be scary, but this is more funny.
Oh my gosh, there are 2 ways usually. Where'd you go?
I turned that one direction.
Oh, I know you are. Did you go up the ladder?
Yeah, I made it to this room where everything was. Wait. Oh no. I made it to a room where everything
Wait,
was.
where am I? Am I in that locked room? Oh my gosh, you're so stupid! It sounds like we planned this before the video.
Where are my baby chicken nuggets?
Excuse me, we ain't talking about chicken nuggets. I want to know where my family is. They're probably just at the Eiffel Tower just taking selfies without me, you know? Have you ever had that happen?
Maybe they're eating chicken nuggets without me.
Excuse me? Shut up. I'm not talking to you.
Maybe some baguettes.
Oh my gosh, I almost made it, but I didn't.
Water!
Ow! You are a jerk. We have to find a way out of here before we die. Butter!
Butter!
Okay, we need to find a way out. Oh no! Well, how did we teleport?
I don't like this military base thing.
It's called the Slender map or whatever it is. Hold on, let me see. Obviously, it's Slender, Lucy. Very.
You know, I think we should end the video here. We gotta do it.
Yes, because we have to spend another hour with this. Okay, well, my video's not over yet. Excuse me, I'm still filming. Oh my gosh, this is an ice cream maker. I don't know. Excuse me? Oh, and you expect me to come out of my British accent? No, this is Scottish. No, this is an African. No. Why do you have a high-pitched laugh, huh? 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 Okay, guys, well, I think we're going to end it here. No, shut up. Shut up. Ahem. I said shut up. I think we're going to... I think we're going to end it here, guys. Thank you for watching. We're going to make a part 2 later, but... And by the way, Eliza's going to come back. You can see her. But now you don't. Bam. Bam. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.